Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add phone number in Roblox. First of all, you can open the Roblox application. I can already open the Roblox, and after opening the Roblox, you can now tap on more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after this, you can scroll down here, tap on settings, and after tap on settings you can now tap on account info, and after the loading you can see this type of interface, and below the email you can see the one more option, that is phone number. You can just simply tap on the square or pencil icon, and after tapping on this you can enter a phone number, and it is the way you can add phone number on Roblox. In my case, the phone number option is not shown in my app. If you have not shown the option, you can just simply update the latest version of this app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.